Hey guys, Shelf Life here, and today we're taking a look at the figure that made me delete eBay. Many of you guys have been asking for it. Here's the Halo Reach Invasion 2-pack. Now you guys are probably asking, why did I delete eBay because of this? And well, let me show you. You guys know this pack isn't cheap, and when I bought it, it said it was brand new. When I got in person, the plastic's destroyed, cardboard's destroyed. Tried asking for a refund, seller didn't respond, eBay was no help, and I was stuck with it. Ah well. Even after all that tumultuous hoo-ha, this pack is still awesome, so let's take a look. How did McFarlane know we needed a blue elite general that bad? Because that guy is sick. And the Spartan Grenadier looks just as cool. I absolutely love the blue visor on that guy. Both invasion cores are well painted and look fantastic. And for the weapons, we get a nice shiny purple plasma repeater and a grenade launcher. In the end, I'm still very sad about getting this package all beat up, but this thing looks incredible. So if you can find them for a good deal, get them today!